Hello guys, for today's video, once again from Marcet and Jessica Sanchez. This is Stronger Than Before Wish Bass 107.5. Yes, can't wait to see this, can't wait to react this one. I hope you enjoy and entertain this reaction video with me and to all their fans. Let's go. Let's go.
You send my tears in shame. I let myself take the blame. And making heart under cover, smiling while I drown in flames. But in the quiet,
Yung boses ni Jessica. Ang expensive, ang expensive. Now we're so proud of her because she's a winner of AGT 2025. So much proud.
you call my name, hold me out of the heavy rain. When the walls come crashing down, I remember what you said. Only you could chase with the crown on my head. I'm stronger than before. I'm standing in the fire. 'Cause you
Grabe, napaka-expensive ng boses at yung bitaw. Grabe. Yung diction niya, the way she pronounced the word. Ang expensive, ang ganda. Like, bro, even Marcy just smiling while watching Jessica Sam. Oh, wow, that was beautiful. I love these two amazing singers with one in a wish bass. I would say one stage is not a stage, but a one bass. Wow, so good.
lifting me up into something beautiful. A great shot, won't give up. You're taking me higher. I'm walking through that door. I am stronger than ever before. Stronger than before. Stronger. I used to hide my pain in the shadows. I never knew you free. Yeah, this world and I'm crying, but now I'm not the same. 'Cause in the fire,
Wow, Mari said, Mari, our queens. Jessica, Mari, God, you are just amazing artist. We're just so proud, to be a Filipino with incredible artists that we have. We have a lot of singers. Even hindi mga nakikita sa TV, sa mga social media lang, kahit na nagiinuman lang sa karaoke, pag may karaoke yung Pinoy, parang nagko-concert na guys.
you come my name, and when the walls came crashing down, I remember what you said. Only you can break the chains round on my head. 'Cause I'm stronger than before. I'm standing in the fire. 'Cause you lifted me up into something beautiful. Great sound, wake up, taking me higher. I'm walking through that door. I'm stronger than ever before. Stronger than before.
These collaborations of Jessica and Morissette, oh, I know everyone just shocked kasi syempre hindi natin in-expect na magkukulab agad silang dalawa. Nanalo si Jessica last year and wow, pag-uwi niya dito sa Pinas, syempre, sinalubong siya ng mga Pinoy, mga magagaling din ng mga singers, and I didn't expect na magkukulab agad sila, na mayroong song agad, at na-release agad, at na-perform agad sila sa Wish Bass 107.5 na palagi natin nakikita, guys. Palagi ko itong nakikita yung Wish Bass. Grabe. Back then in the Philippines because nandito ako ngayon sa Europe. Wow.
Oh, yeah. From the valley to the mountain, you've been steady through it all. Every time I think I'm losing, you were there to break my fall.
Narinig ko yun mga audience. Grabe. I love that part so much. Oh my God, that was so good. Ang lala na part ah.
I am stronger than ever before. Stronger
Mga bakulaw nagsama. Grabe. Sino ba naman hindi hihiyaw? So ganito yung mapapanood mo live na live. Grabe. Ang tindi.
Every breath, I'm believing anymore. Stronger than before.
Jesus Christ. That was really, really, really good. That was mind-blowing. That was mind-blowing. Grabe, mapatutulala ka na lang sa sobrang galing ni Jessica at ni Reset. Ang galing nilang dalawa. Apakagaling. Grabe, nakaka-goosebumps yun, guys. Amazing talaga. Grabe. I couldn't even... Oh my God. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I hope you enjoyed and entertained this reaction video with me. Please continue to support Maury and Jessica. Hope you support also my channel. Thank you so much. Mabuhay.